Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Hollow Knight Silksong Unity error. And if the game is basically not launching on Steam, what you need to do, because look, this one, Hollow Knight Silksong, is not a large game on PC or consoles, but considering the state Steam is in right now, it's possible that something will go wrong during the download or installation process. A lot of people are having the issue. Let me show you an example. Let's say this is the game. You just right click on it, click on properties, and what I want you to do is I want you to go over here, okay? Click on installed files and you'll see this. Verify this game's files are installed correctly. You want to click here, verify integrity of game files. So what this does, it will make sure that all your game files are in order, verify those in the client, and it will make sure there are no corrupt or missing files. That's what usually causes the issue. And it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.